Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka 14. The contacts of senses with objects, O son of Kunti, which cause heat and cold, pleasure and pain, have a beginning and an end. They are impermanent. Endure them bravely.
Chapter 2, Shloka 14. Matra sparshastu kaunteya Sitoshna sukha dukkadaha Akamapayino nityaha Tam stitikshasva bharata.
Ego, the instruments and the knowledge of the sense object. If the perceiver is absent, the sense organs and the objects of the senses cannot bring about any perception. Perception takes place not by the sense organs but through them. Objects provide different experiences to different people. This is because of the difference in the mental constitution of the individuals. In the same individual, with age, attraction for objects change. Therefore, if we consider the above facts, we can conclude that objects can affect us only when the mind comes in contact with the sense objects. Objects are constantly changing. They are born and they die. This is everyone's experience too. If this is understood properly, then we will not be tossed by the presence or the absence of the objects. Since the world is constituted of objects and beings, the existence or the non-existence of the world also would not matter. There is a constant flow of future through the present into the past, the three divisions of time. Everything is conditioned by time. Everything is in a state of flux. Change is only the changeless law. Why despair for the things that are or that are not? All is inevitable. We can keep our balance by constantly remembering even this will pass away, because they are impermanent in the sense that the pleasure we get at one time starts diminishing and at another time it gives sorrow to the experiencer. Therefore, Lord says that the contacts of senses with objects which cause heat and cold, pleasure and pain have a beginning and an end. Endure them bravely. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.